Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, and today we're going to be making a card with this beautiful project kit from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. It comes with this beautiful gift box, and you can make cards using these beautiful felt pieces. And I'm going to be doing one of the cards today. There's a piece of vellum that we can attach, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the center and put it over top, and when the glue dries it won't show because I'll have a piece of white cardstock that I'll be working on for the main image. So the inks are recommended in the kit directions, but you can use different ones for like the leaves could have been shaded spruce if I'd have chosen that, but I decided to go ahead and go with this Pear's Pizzazz. There are some great pictures in the directions that you can follow very easily. And so I have those 4 little leaf branches there. Now I'm going to get some Daffodil Delight, and I'm looking at the colors here that are all in the kit, and Daffodil Delight is one of them, so I'm going to use that for a flower there. And then I'm also going to use Calypso Coral, which is another flower that is stamped on this card base, or I should say the layer on top of the card base. So here's Calypso Coral, and I'm just putting it in the general area where I know it needs to be. You want to do most of your stamping first. It makes it easy, of course. And now you have 3 sizes of these shaded spruce leaves. I wasn't that concerned about what size I used where. Just go with what's pleasing to the eye and what you think fits. So I punched out several of the die cuts just so I could have a choice as to what to use where. And there are plenty of those too for all of the cards. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of adhesive and I'm attaching the bottoms of the stems for each of these little branches. And so you can see on the finished card where they are and how the ends of them, where I'm putting the glue, those will be covered up by some felt pieces. Now here I decided that leaf was too big from that bottom right corner, so I moved it up, and I'm putting a smaller leaf there. So now I have my felt pieces, and I also have some die cut flowers. I've already punched all of these out, and I'm going to put those and some of those felt flowers in Lovely Lipstick, and then the one in Calypso Coral. They're going to be right there in a cluster there at the bottom right. So I'm just arranging and deciding how I want to put those, if I want to do it the same as the sample card. And I think you see how I'm just adjusting there, and I decided to use dimensionals on all these flowers. It's already got a lot of depth to it with the felt, but I just liked how the dimensionals adhere the flowers to the card base or the card layer, and also the dimension, the added dimension it provided. So here is a dimensional for the little die cut Daffodil Delight flowers. And these, like I said, I'd already punched all of those out, but they came on a sheet much like the leaves did. Now I have this other outline leaf. It's in Pear Pizzazz, and there was one of them that showed right there, so I just tucked it underneath one of the felt flowers, and then there will be another one underneath that Daffodil Delight. So by using the dimensionals, you always also have a little room to tuck those leaves underneath. So now I decided I needed another leaflet, so I got one of the smaller ones, another Daffodil Delight flower, so I'm going to apply that. And then there are these really cute pool party felt flowers that also go with this kit. The colors here, the combination of colors is just beautiful. I think you will love these cards. It would make a perfect gift. Okay, so now I'm finishing up putting the flowers. I need a couple there on top, one of those die cuts, and then one of the pool party. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm using some of the smaller dimensionals for the smaller flowers, and then overlapping. And then I have this small little sprig of leaves, the little double leaf, that I'll just tuck right underneath. Now I forgot to stamp the sentiment, but luckily I can come back and put that in the middle. I was so excited about putting the felt flowers on, I left that off. So it says, "So very thankful," but you could interchange the sentiments on the cards how you wish. Like I said, easier to do it first, but it worked out for me this time. So now I'm going to put my ink away, and then we're going to see about finishing the card. There are some little pool party sequins that are in the kit, and I'm getting my Take Your Pick tool and my fine tip glue pen, and I'm going to just put some little dots and scatter those. And I used the picture that was in the directions from Stampin' Up! To take my cue as to where to put these sequins. It just makes it easy, no thought process about where it needs to go. Just put it where they did, and it's going to look good. So there are just several of them, and I'm just dotting. And if you see another place you'd like one, go for it. There are plenty of sequins in the kit. Okay, so you can see these are pretty. It's not a difficult card to put together, but it's pretty elaborate once you get all of these elements on there. I'm putting on the lid to my glue, and I am going to attach that to the card base over that vellum. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and use some more dimensionals and pop that up and make it really special. Now it comes with beautiful coordinating envelopes as well, and I believe you make 3 of each card, and it's they're just beautiful, and the directions help you put it together easily. But once you do one of each type, you're good to go. So I hope you will try this kit. It's For the Love of Felt in the annual catalog. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.